In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can scale any new dropshipping store to 1K a day profitably. I'm even going to reveal 2 dropshipping stores that have done the exact same thing, so you can just copy and paste them with the exact same strategy. Because with the exact same strategy, I was able to make my first 1K a day in the first 2 weeks of running this dropshipping store. As you guys can see, we started on December 23rd and we made 1K a day 2 weeks later. So that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video, how to make easy 1K a day strategy in this video. But before we going to show you this strategy, I will show you exactly 2 dropshipping stores that are doing the exact same thing. So this is the first dropshipping store that I want to show you guys. This guy is selling in the UK market, heavily focused on the fashion niche. And as you guys can see, on the similar web extension, they started just in October and they were doing 5K a month in October, but now they are scaling to 50K a month in December. So I guess January was even better for them. But then the second store as well, they're heavily focused on the German market with the home decor niche. And these guys are crushing it as well. These guys are doing 220K a month already using the exact same strategy that I'm going to show you. So let me show you step number 1 of the easy 1K a day strategy, because step number 1 is always finding winning products. And to be honest, guys, we're not focusing on Facebook or TikTok with making creatives and this kind of bullshit. No, we're focusing heavily on Google Ads, because the stores that I just showed you are running only on Google Ads for their dropshipping stores, and you can see they're crushing it. And that's the exact same thing that I did with my dropshipping store as well. So if you want to find winning products for Google, you need to have broad keywords on your niche to find them. So I use broad keywords on Google in different markets using NordVPN to switch my IP very easily to Germany or to the UK market. So that's exactly what I did. I just typed in table lamp in the German market and I was able to find this dropshipping product. I was looking for a leather jacket and I was able to find this jacket on the UK market. That's exactly what I did. If you want to find and spot the dropshippers on your Google feed, just focus on the listings with 0 reviews, because most of the time they have 0 Google reviews and they have a lower price in comparison with the brands. So then if you want to see what they are selling, I use this URL to find the best sellers. So if I copy and paste and I go to their homepage and I paste this behind their URL and I make sure that this is correct, then I will find all the winning products from this store. And now I can see what are their best sellers. So the jacket that I just found is their number 4 best selling product out of the 1,264 products, which is insane. So this product is a big winner for them. That's exactly how I use it. Then of course I have the PPSpy Chrome extension, which is this one. So I can already see how many products they have on their store. And on average, a store that is having more than 500 products on its store, it's a good reference for a good Google Ads dropshipping store. Because if you want to have more results with Google Ads dropshipping, you need to have more products on your store. So now we have found this winning product, we have found the winning stores. Now we can go to step number 2. And step number 2 is also pretty easy, because now we need to find and build a database of winning products. So what I do is I have a winning product cheat sheet that I always use to collect all the winning products. So I just put this URL and this URL, I will put them in my cheat sheet, so I will always have a backlog of all the information that I found. If you guys want to have this cheat sheet, it's in the link in the description, so you can download it there as well, okay? So as soon as you have this cheat sheet and you have it filled up with all the winning products, then we can go to step number 3. Because step number 3 is that we need to import the products that we have found on our store. That's what we need to do. The goal with Google Ads dropshipping is having a consistent inflow of new products per day, per week, or per month. Especially, I will focus on per day, between 10 to 50 products a day, whatever you can do, but make sure you have a new inflow of products every day. So that's the goal. If we want to have that, we also want to avoid that we are going to get DMCA takedowns. So copying one-on-one everything from your competitor can get you in trouble. So we optimize the titles and the product descriptions with ChatGPT. We literally copy and paste the titles and the product descriptions into ChatGPT, and we ask it to rephrase it and rewrite it so we don't get claims. That's exactly what you can do. You can make the instructions for yourself and you can do it for yourself, or then outsource this to a product lister on Upwork. This will cost you on average $5 per hour. And in 1 hour, they should be doing between 10 to 20 products an hour. That's what they should be doing. If you want to have a small bonus, you can install the Poke app, which allows you to copy and paste everything into your store, but you can enhance the titles and product descriptions with ChatGPT, which is an amazing feature of this app. So guys, please download this app. I'm not sponsored by them, but they are doing a great job for making it easier to install all these products on your store. Okay, so as soon as you have these products on your store, we should be going to step number 4. And step number 4 is that we need to optimize it. So let me show you exactly what I mean with that. We need to optimize the store for conversions. And what I mean with that is, for example, optimized product titles. They need to be keyword rich but readable. So an example of a perfect keyword rich title is adjustable memory foam pillow for neck pain, orthopedic support. People will literally try to find these products online, so you need to make sure that all these keywords are in your title. If people want to search for pillow for neck pain, it's in there. If people want to search for orthopedic support for neck pain, people will find it. So this is exactly how I structure my titles. If you want to have an extra bonus on your website and make it more branded, I use AI models for my products. So we have one app on the Shopify store, it's called Botica, and Botica makes all the photos and all the images without models. It makes them with models AI-based, which is insane. So this makes your appearance of the store look more branded, which I really, really love. If you want to go the extra mile, you can use AI visuals on your store. So I use ideogram.ai for making visuals like this. You can even make team pictures from people wearing your t-shirt with the brand name on it as on your homepage, which will maybe even increase your conversion rate. Because that's exactly, for example, what Rusvan did in the Freedom Achievers community. He literally is doing the exact same thing, and he's telling AI visuals and videos plus very branded look can change your situation from 0 to hero. He is doing right now a 1K a day with a 4% conversion rate after 5 days of running the ads. So if you're thinking about joining this community and making 1K a day in 90 days with Google Ads Dropshipping, first link is in the description. Okay, so let's move on to the next step, or to the next bullet points as well. Because if you want to focus on your store, you should be focusing heavily on everything above the fold. Everything above the add to cart button. What do I mean with that? Everything above here, everything above the add to cart button needs to be optimized. So your product images, your offer, your scarcity, your variance, everything needs to be in place. Strong offer, scarcity, urgency, and social proof. The visuals are the most important. Less text, more visuals. As you guys can see, it's all about visuals here. People can literally see how the product will be in their living room. For example, if you're selling table lamps, which is very, very good. Even the variants, they have even images in here as well, which is amazing. The other store is doing the exact same thing. Images, beautiful images here as well. It's very, very visual. So people can already imagine themselves wearing this jacket. Okay, so that's exactly where I focus heavily on with my dropshipping store. So then, of course, we go to the last step. And the last step is launching Google Ads. Because guys, I told you already, focus heavily on Google Ads first, because that's the bottom of funnel of the marketing funnel. It's the easiest way to get momentum. Like I showed you, after 5 days of running the ads, Rusvan was already making 1K a day using the exact same strategy that I just showed you, okay? So if you want to launch your Google Ads, you need to apply to your Google Merchant Center. This is the business manager of the Google Ads, okay? If you're not getting approved, that means that you don't have all the policies in place and you're missing some business information. You need to be transparent on your website. So make sure that all the policies are in place, everything is clickable, it looks branded, and Google does not think you're a scammer. Make sure that everything is in place. So the second step is that after approval, you need to launch a PMAX campaign at a $30 a day budget and let it run for 2 weeks. The PMAX campaign is the campaign that is going on steroids with Google. It's heavily AI focused. What this campaign does, it lets you advertise all the products in your store at once. But only if you get clicks, you're paying, which I really, really love about Google Ads. You only pay per click, not by impressions, for example, with Facebook or TikTok ads. So now you're able to advertise all the 500 products on your store and only pay for the clicks that you get. So not for impressions, but only for clicks. This is what I love about the PMax campaign. So that's what we do. We launch it at a $30 budget for 2 weeks. So I always recommend have at least $500 to make it happen, to make sure that you don't have cash flow problems or that you need to cancel your ads. Have $500 in ad budget, okay? In these 2 weeks, you will see that your CPC, the cost per link click, and the click-through rate that goes down, the CPC goes down and the click-through rate goes up, and you will see some results coming in. And based on these results, you optimize. That's exactly what you do. You get the feedback, you get the data, you read what is going wrong, what is going well, and you double down on what's going well. And that's exactly what these stores have been doing. They have found out which products are selling, and they are doing more of that. That's exactly why these stores are crushing it right now using only Google Ads. And the goal is to make 1K a day in 90 days at least. That's the minimum. Because to be honest, I just did it in 2 weeks and it is very, very easy with this blue ocean strategy. Because to be honest, guys, I'm the only one that is telling about the strategy because people don't know how powerful Google Ads is for their dropshipping store. So again, if you guys want to make 1K a day in 90 days, using only Google Ads for your dropshipping store, you should be applying for the Freedom Achievers community because people are crushing it in this community. People are making 100K in 2.5 months, 35K in the last 7 days, 1K day, 5 million in the last 90 days, 30K in November. It's getting bananas, and these people are all beginners. And if you guys want to know how Google Ads dropshipping can change your life completely and how it did it for me, you should be checking out this video. And for now, I want to thank you watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.